Yeah, how far? Okay, say we no fit just dey talk about crypto make we no talk about the benefit wey dey there. Say we dey shout say anything wey you sabi put am for crypto, but e dey be like say person dey rant, person dey make mouth. Now people wey dey waka from ojoju berger to ikeja, from ojuelegba to surulere, na their time to make money be this. Ask me how. You see these people now, if to say dem dey into crypto space, dem come hear the latest news wey dey go on about move to earn. Yes, you waka to earn, you go dey waka to earn, you go dey jog, you go dey do exercise to earn. Shey you know say we don talk about play to earn, this to earn, learn to earn. Now na waka to earn we dey like this now. So if you dey new to the crypto space, or you don dey the crypto space before and you never see this update, I don dey drop am for you now, so no take am for granted o. Go do your research now. Even get one link wey I drop for my bio, move to earn. Once you don click on that link, you go fit download the app, register. Anytime wey you dey waka or you dey work for your parlour, or you dey do anything for your parlour, you go dey earn this token and you fit use am do anything wey you like. No be only that token dey o, e still many. You get this token to GMT, e get one again fit something. If you just search online for move to earn, or you go to Twitter, you go see all this update there. If you join our community, we don drop all this updates there. So anything wey you sabi do, e dey for crypto. No gawk yourself, no dull am. Now everyday update dey come out, updates wey fit help your life regardless of who you be. Even old mama and papa, all of them sef don dey come inside crypto now. So you wey be say you still be young guy, you still see opportunities dey for crypto. Crypto just be like internet for 90s. So if you dey hear this update now, just try go do your research. Na only data e go spend you, only your data. Many ways dey to make money, so na the best time be this. Get in, sabi all these things. No let anybody dey lie for you say make you bring 10,000, make you do this, make you bring $100,000 before you fit make am for crypto. Many ways dey. You fit dey play game make you earn money, you fit dey watch movie make you earn money. Anything wey you sabi. Abeg, if you don dey hear update on sleep to earn, if you dey sleep, abeg make una drop the update o. Me, I like to dey do research wella, I like to dey enter new things. So omo, make I no talk sha.